We are at the National Hardware Show at the EMSCO Group booth right now. We're looking at some really cool things here, gang. We're looking at some water capturing devices here. We've got some different water barrels, and I've got Chris here from the EMSCO Group. Chris, tell us a little bit more about these different barrels.
Well, John, we have several varieties, as you see here. What we try to do is make them as decorative as possible. These are an accessory for the house, so not only do they have to capture the water, but they also have to be pleasing to the eye. We have an integrated planter built into the top of the rain barrels. This allows you to use them as a planter as well as a water receiving device. They have a drainage hole in them so that you don't get any root rot or anything like that, so there's proper drainage up there as well. The water itself, as you know, is pure, clean water. The plants love that water. If you're in any kind of watering restrictions, you can wash your dog with it, wash your car with it, any of those kind of things. As you see, we have them in several different sizes. We have them in flat back versions, which go up against your home. And one of our unique features is our downspout diverter. What this does is it allows you to capture the water that goes down your downspout and keeps your rain barrel automatically filled without having to do any kind of switching on or off on any valves or anything. Once it's full, it bypasses the system. As you see from some of our artwork there, you can see the water flows down and flows into the rain barrel. Once it's filled, it backtracks into the diverter and then flows down the downspout like it normally does. So there's no maintenance and anything involved. The only maintenance you would need to do is in the winter, you would want to turn it over to prevent any freezing and empty it.
Now, Chris, how long does it take to install something like this into your existing downspouts?
Well, with your normal handyman, with not a whole lot of skills or anything like that, you can simply get one of these probably installed in less than a half an hour with minimal tools, a 4-foot level, a hacksaw, some marking device, a pencil or whatnot, and a tape measure, and you can have this thing up and running, and it will fill within a couple minutes after your first rain.
Now, how many gallons are we looking at with the barrels in front of us?
Well, we have them in several different sizes. The whiskey barrel on the left is a 50-gallon barrel. The one next to it's also a 50-gallon, even though it's a little taller, it's a little skinnier. Then as you see, we jump up to 60 gallons, and then behind us over here we have an 85-gallon, which is the largest one that we feature. And as you see, we feature these in several different colors that looks like hand-turned stone. We offer it in the sand color that you're looking at now, as well as terracotta and a brown color.
Chris, if people would like to find out more information about these barrels, where can they go?
Well, we'd like to have you visit EMSCOgroup.com.
Great. We are at the National Hardware Show.